So children, see here. Here also we have to check that all the 4 options, right? So let us check that the first option, what is that? Here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 16, 4 by 11. Okay. So let us check that each option. Okay. So first option, what is that? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means here we know that 0.5. If anybody has doubt, then check like this. 1 divided by 2. So keep that 0 and here 0. So 2 5s 10. So the remainder is 0. Okay, here we are getting that is 0.5. So 0.5 is lies in between 1 by 6, 0.16 and 0.33. No, here the numbers lies in between 0.1 and 0.3 only we need to find out. But here we are getting 0.5, which means more than that is 0.3. 0.5 is more than 0.3. So that's why here this is not existing here. One number is not satisfying, so simply we no need to check that remaining all over the numbers. Okay, so let us check that second option. So in that second option, what is the first number? 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. So keep that 0 here and here also keep that 0. So 4 into how much is equals to 10? So the nearest number is 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 2 and here 0. So 4 5s are 20. Okay, 0.25. Am I clear to you? So 0.25 means 0.2 is lies in between here 0.1 series and 0.2 series and 0.3 we need to find it up to 3.3. Up to 3.3 and here the starting number is 0.16. So in between only 0.2 is there, no? So that's why this number is satisfying. Okay, so we have to check that leftover numbers in that option 2. So the leftover number 7 divided by 24. 7 divided by 24. Okay. So keep that 0 here and here also 0 point. 24 3 is 72. 24 3 is 72, we know that. So that's why that is more, that's why here 24 2s 48. 24 2s 48. So here reminder whatever it may be, just leave that. Here what is the quotient here? 0.2. So 0.2 means that is satisfying or not. Here also we are getting 0.2. Here also 0.2. 0 point something, whatever it may be, 0.2 series total numbers lies in between 0.1 and 0.3. That's why no need to check these all things. Okay. So that's why here second number also satisfying. Okay. So let us check that the third number which is there in that. What is that? 5 divided by 16. 5 divided by 16. Understand? So here 16 3 is 48. Okay, so left over 2. Here 0.3. Here up to 0.3 is there, but we have to check that one more digit. Why? Because up to 3 only satisfying here. Okay, so that's why keep that 0 and 16 months 16, so 4. So 0.31. So 0.31 means 0.31, 0.32, 0.33. Okay, so here 0.31 is there. So that's why this is also satisfying. Understand? So let us check that one more number. What is that? 31 divided by 96. 31 divided by 96. So keep that 0 here also 0 point. Okay, 9 5 is 45. So that's why better to take that 96 into 4. 4 6 24. 4 9s 36 plus 2 38. So this is more than 310. So that's why 96 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 9s 27 plus 1 28. Okay. So 96 3 is 288. Okay. So here 0.3 is existing, but here 3 more than or 3 less than, we don't know that, right? So that's why we have to check the difference. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and here 10 minus 8 is 2. So 22. Okay. So keep that 0 here again. So again which number is satisfying here? 96. 3's we are getting here 288 now. So 96 2's better to check that. 2 6 12. So children see here. So here we got the 220 no. So that's why we have to check that 96 into 3 means we are getting here 288. So that is more than 220. So that's why we have to go for that 2. So 96 into 2. So how much we will get here? 2 6 12 and 2 9 18 plus 1 192. Okay, so from this one here, 96 into 2 is equals to 192. So whatever it may be the remainder, so just check here, 0.32 is there. So 0.32 means that is lies in between 0.16 and 0.33. Here we are having up to 0.31, 0.32 and 0.33. So in between here 0.32 is there, no? So that is also satisfying here. So which number is also satisfying? 31 by 96. So these all the numbers are satisfying. So that's why here option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So still we are having here 2 more options there. So those 2 options also we have to check. So let us check that option 3. So in that option 3 here, what is the first number? 3 divided by 11. Okay. So here 3 is less than 11, right? So that's why keep that 0 point and here 0. So from this one, 11 to 22. So reminder here, whatever it may be, just check that 0.2 we are getting here. So 0.2 means that 0.2 is lies in between 0.16 and 0.33. Okay, so by seeing the quotient here, we can say that the first number is satisfying in that third set. So here in this set, another number we have to check. So what is the another number? 4 divided by 17. Okay, so here keep that 0 and here also 0 point something. So 17 into how much is equals to 40? That is not possible, right? So that's why 17 to 34. Okay, again leave that reminder, no need that reminder, just we have to check that 0.2. So again we are getting 0.2 means that is also lies in between 0.16 and 0.33. Okay, so that's why the second number also satisfying. So come to that next third number here, that is 5 and here 19. So keep that 0 and here also 0 point something. Okay, so 19 into 2 is equals to 38, 19 3 is 57, so that is more than 50, right? So that's why 19 2 is 38. Okay, again we are getting here 0.2 something, here leave the reminder. So 0.2 something, again this number also satisfying here, and still we are having one more number, that is 3 divided by 17. 3 divided by 17. So here 0 and keep that 0 point something. So 17 2 is 34, so that is more than 30, right? So 17 months 17. So we are having here 0.1. So 0.16 onwards we required that. Okay, but we are having here 0.1. So that's why we need to check that second decimal number also. Okay, so 30 minus 17. 30 minus 17 which is equals to 13. Okay, and still one more number here, 17 tens 170. So that's why that is not possible. So that's why better to check that 17 sevens. Okay, so 17 sevens, how much here? 119. Yes, 119. So 17 sevens 119. So that's why that is satisfying now here. So 17 sevens 119. So here reminder something here. So 0.17. So 0.17 means that is lies after that 0.16 only, no? So that's why here this number also satisfying. So in the option 3 here in this set, here 4 numbers also satisfying. So here this is also multi-correct answer type. So second one and third option, these two options are satisfying that given question. And still we are having one more option is there, no? So better to check that one also. So children, see here what is that? 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8, 0 and here 0 point. So 8 ones 8 here. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so 0.1 we need here 0.16 onwards. So that's why here keep that 0. So 8 to 16. So the remainder is 4. And here 0.12 is there, but we are having here 0.16 after numbers we required. Okay, but we are having here 0.12. Okay, so 0.12 is less than 0.16. That's why here this option is wrong. No need to check that leftover. Okay, why? Because 1 by 8 is not satisfying this condition. Understand? So that's why here options 2 and 3 are correct options here. Okay, so let us see that next question, ma. Sixth one. So a rational number lying between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 8. So just like that previous one only, but here lying in between they are asking, no. So once check that in between number. So let A is equals to minus 3 by 2 and B is equals to 5 by 8. So in between number means what is the formula here? A plus B by 2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8 whole by 2. Okay. So from this one, what is the LCM of 2 and 8? LCM is 8. 2 and 8 LCM is 8. So minus 3 into, here 2 into how much is equals to 8? 2 4s 8 plus 5 into 8 1s 8. Clear? And by 2 into 2, which is equals to minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 5 by 16. So which is equals to minus 7 by 16. Minus 7 by 16. That is the number which is lies in between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 8. So minus 7 by 16 is that correct answer. Understand, children? So let us see that next question number 7. So again here, find 4 rational numbers between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 means this is directly integer. Okay. So minus 1 and minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. So children, when you observe that number line, here 0 is there, 0 after here negative numbers will come, no. So minus 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on like that. So minus 0.5 and here this is minus 1, minus 1.5 like that. Okay. So the numbers which lies in between minus 1 and minus 0.5. So minus 0.5 to minus 1, that numbers we need to find out. Understand? So see here. So here also we have to check that all the options. So the first option is minus 2. So by seeing this one we can say that, just I'll draw that number line, see here, 0, minus 0.5, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2 like that. So just we need to find that the numbers which lies in between minus 1 to minus 0.5. Okay. But here the number is minus 2. So minus 2 is here. Okay, so minus 2 is less than minus 1 no here. So that's why this is wrong option. Understand? So just check that next second one. Here 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 means minus 0.5, minus 1. Those two also negative numbers only, right? But here they given that a positive option. So that's why this is also wrong option. Okay, positive number does not lies in between these two negative numbers, no. So that's why we can say that that is the wrong option. Next, come to this one. Here minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 means 1 divided by 4. So 0 and here 0. 4 2s 8 and the remainder is 2. 2 5s, 4 5s 20. Okay, so here 0.25, which means, which is equals to minus 0.25. So minus 0.25, where it is 0.25 means here 0.5, 0. Here we can take that as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. After that 0.5 we are having. Okay. But we are having here 0.25. Okay. So 0.25 means that is here. Okay. Just we need to find that the numbers which lies in between 0.5 to minus 1. But here we are getting the number here, no. So that's why here this is also wrong option. Okay, still we are having that one more option is there. What is that option? Fourth one, that one we have to check. Minus 1 and minus 0.5. Here minus 3 by 4. What is the first number? Minus 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. 0 and 0.4 7s 28. Okay, so here the remainder is 2. Just check that is 0.7. 0.7 means here in between minus 0.5 to minus 1. Here minus 0.6, minus 0.7, minus 0.8, minus 0.9. After we will get that minus 1. Yes or no? So in this case here 0.7 is there, no? So that is satisfying. That is also negative number. So which is equals to minus 0.7. So that's why that number is satisfying. So we have to check that the second number. Minus 7. 7 divided by 8. 0 and 0 point. 8 8s is 64. So the leftover 6. Remainder is 6. 0.8. 0.8 also there here. So that's why second number also satisfying. Next 5 divided by 8. 0. 0.5. 8 5 is 48. 6 48. Okay. So 0.6. Here 0.6 also there. So 0.6 also satisfying that. Next we have to check that the last number, which is 9 by 16. Okay. So 9 divided by 16. Okay. So 0 and here 0 point. So 16 5 is 80. Yes or no? So 16 5 is 80. So here the leftover 100 is there. So 0.5 something, whatever it may be, here 0.5 onwards, right? So 0.5, 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, these all the numbers lies in between 0.5 to minus 1. So in that case also we can say that this number also satisfying. So finally which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 4 is correct here. Okay. So let us see that next one. 8th question, say that. Find two rational numbers. Find two rational numbers between minus 2 and 2. Two rational numbers in between minus 2 and 2. So take that here number line. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So the numbers which lies in between minus 2 and 2 we need to find out. So here what is the first number? 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 means 7.5. Yes or no? 2 7s 14 and 2 5s 10. So which is equals to 7.5 into 2 is equal to 15. So 7.5, that is a positive, which means here we will get that 7.5 greater than 2. Okay. So that's why first option is wrong. Okay. And the second option 0 and 1. Yes, 0 is lies in between minus 2 and 2. 1 is also lies in between minus 2 and 2. So second one is satisfying. Next minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 and 0 also satisfying. So this number also satisfying. And here the fourth option is wrong. That is both 2 and 3. Okay. Just change that option. Here both 2 and 3 is that answer. Okay. So second one is satisfying. Third one is satisfying. So just check that option as change the option as both 2 and 3. So here 2 and 3 satisfying. Okay. So next question. Yes, 9th question. Find the four rational numbers in between 1 by 3. 3 rational numbers in between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Okay. So children, when you observe this one, here these are having that like fractions. So better to convert this one as a like fraction. Okay. So the first option is 48 is there, no? So 3 into how much is equals to 48? So just change this one as 3 16s 48. Okay. So 16 by 48. And here this is 24 by 24. So 24 by 48. So the numbers which lies in between 16 by 48 and 24 by 48. So here 16 after here which numbers lies in between? 17 by 48, 18 by 48, 19 by 48, 20 by 48, 21 by 48, 22 by 48, 23 by 48. Okay. So these all are the numbers here there, no? So that's why the first option is the correct option. Okay. Here you may have that out, then you want to check that the leftover options, then you can check that. Okay. So here answer is option 1 is true here. Okay. So just children, you try that leftover 3 options, and these 3 options, if you have any other correct answer, then you have to keep that. Okay. Or else if you didn't get that correct option, then first one is that answer. Okay. So let us check that 10th one. Yes. If 17 by 30 is a rational number between, so 17 by 30 is there. So denominator is 30. So that's why here the first option 1 by 3 and 3 by 5. 1 by 3 and 3 by 5. What is the denominator here? Denominator is 30. So to make this denominator as 30, here 3 into how much is equals to 30? 10 by 10. So 10 by 3 tens 30. Clear? And here also 5 into how much is equals to 30 ma? 5 6 are 30. So 18 by 30. So the numbers in between 10 and 18. In between 10 and 18 here 17 is there or not? Okay. 10 by 30, 11 by 30, 12 by 30, 13 by 30, 14 by 30, 15 by 30, 16 by 30, 17 by 30, 18 by 30 is the last number. So 17 by 30 they are asking. So that number is lies in between these two numbers, right? So that's why here the first one is satisfying. Okay. Just check that next one. 6 by 5 and 4 by 5. To make it as the denominator as 30, no? So 6 by 6. 36 by 6 5 is 30. Okay. Next, and here 36 we are getting here, right? So but we are having here 17 which is less than 36, so that is not satisfying. So the second option is not satisfying that. Next, 11 by 3. So 11 by 3 into, to make it as 30, 110 by 30. So here we are having 110 which is greater than 17. 110 is greater than 17, but we are having only here 17 by 30. So that's why this is also more. So that's why that is also wrong option. Still we are having here one more option, that is 7 by 5. So 6 by 6. 7 6 are 42 by 5 6 are 30. So 42 by 30. 42 by 30 means 17 is less than 42. So 17 does not lie in between 42 and something. Okay. So that's why here which option is correct ma? Option 1 is true. So these three options are wrong. Understand? So still we are having one more question. What is that? 37 by 50 is a rational number between, here two rational numbers they given, a by 25 and 19 by 25. A by 25, 19 by 25. So here these two are the two numbers. A and B are two numbers, and they are asking that A plus B by 2, this value they given, that is 37 by 50. Okay, just we need to find that A value here. Understand? So A plus B by 2 is equal to, that value is 37 by 50. Understand? So here these two also having that same denominator. So that's why same denominator we have to write 25. So A plus 19 into 2, which is equals to 37 by 50. So 25 to 50 and here 50 gets cancelled. 25 to 50, 50 and 50 gets cancelled. Okay. So from this one, A plus 19 is equals to 37. So A is equals to 37 minus 19. So A is equals to here, how much it is possible ma here? Yes, 18 is possible. Yes, A is equal to 37 minus 19, which is equals to, A is equals to 18. A is equal to 18. So which option is correct ma here? Once check that. So direct options they didn't give. We have to check that all the options. So 2 by 3 into 34. So cancellations not possible. So 268 by 3. 2 into 34 is equals to 68. So 68 by 3. Okay. So that is wrong option. Next, second one. 3 9s 27. 9 2s are 18. Okay. So it is satisfying. And come to this one. 2 2s and here 2 1s 2 9s. So here 9. This is also not satisfying. And come to this one. 3 into 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So 3 3s, which is equals to 4 by 3. Understand? So here this option also wrong option. So which one is satisfying ma here? Satisfying option is 2. Am I clear to you, children? So up to here totally worksheet 1 completed, worksheet 1A completed. So in that next video we will discuss that worksheet 2 problems. Okay, thank you all.